Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select playback functions on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and then click on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on playback in the middle of the screen, and as you can see, there's a scale at the top which refers to the crossfade, so you should indicate that second. Then you can turn on all of these functions that you can see at this page, such as the gapless playback function, automix function, meaning that it will allow seamless transition between songs on the selected playlists. Then you can also turn on this function which will hide the unplayable songs. You can also enable audio normalization, the mono audio function, which means that it makes the left and right speakers play the same audio. You can also select the equalizer, turn it on, apply it to podcasts, and here you can select acoustic, bass booster, bass reducer, classical, dance, deep, electronic, flat hip hop, and so on. There are a bunch of options here. By going back to the previous page, you can also select the play feedback sounds option. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.